We'll see how to customize reports in your CRM software. So when you go to CRM, the menu you have to click reports to go to the reports section. This reports menu is available for managers and administrator profile, and based out of your company's administration configuration, this will be available for you. And the number of reports available also is based out of the configuration done in the system. Now, before we go and learn about how to customize a report, first let us understand how the reports are arranged, how to view the report, and how to do basic operations in the report. So if you see here, these are all the predefined reports available in the system. So we have grouped the report and given a group name like this. So basically you have lead related count reports, lead revenue reports, call reports, task and CRM usage report. These are all the groups. Inside every group you will have various reports. So if you see here, we will click this particular report, it will open here. So this is an active lead count by owner and stage. So how many leads are available with your sales team and what is the stage? It will show you the summary and the count data. So now in this case, the total lead in the system is 263 and Abhilasha has got 17 leads in these categories. This is what it shows. If you want to just drill down and see, if you put your mouse over the name, it will show you a link. So you have to click here, so it will drill down. So you can see all Akhilesh report here. Again, if you put mouse here, you can see if you want to see how many leads are in Facebook, you have to just drill down. It will show you all the Facebook leads assigned to Akhilesh. So you want to go back, you have to press this icon. Now you went back. Now it goes back to the home here. This is how you will navigate into this count report. Now generate report, if you press, it will show the latest data. To export the report, you have to press the export. So you can export it as a HTML or a CSV, which you can open it in the Excel sheet. Here you can change the file name also. Print basically will show that report and you can either save it as a PDF or you can print it. Now we have a button called show filter. You press here. Inside this, if you want to basically filter, let us say you want to filter the reports specifically for, let's say lead date. You want to see the last 7 days. So there is only 11 leads that are created in the last 7 days. So you want to create today, there will not be any record. So likewise you can create whatever data you want and you can check and take it in the report. This is how the filter works in the report. So now let's go back and let us see one more type of report. So now we have seen the count report. We will see a detailed report. We will see the all active leads report. Just click I have active leads. Now instead of count, this shows the actual data in the CRM. So we have grouped all the leads for Abhilasha and we are showing all the details here. This is another type of report. So these are all the two common set of reports that are available for you. Now let us see how to customize the report. To customize the report, you need to be an administrator. So if you go and put your mouse over the report name, you will see a small icon here. This is the customize icon. If you click here, so it's a left click. So you can see edit, customize and clone. So when you press edit, basically you can change the name and description of that particular report in the edit. So you want to add a name, you want to change the name as like this. Now if you press, if you see here, the name is changed now. So for your business need, you can change the name here. And then clone if you do. So if you like this particular report, so and if you want to customize and change it for your business need without disturbing the main report, so you can do a clone function. So you can give a name, you can give a description, and private means it will be available only for your login. Public means for all the CRM users it will be available. So and if you press save, you got the new report, which is a cloned copy of this. Now you can go and customize this cloned copy. So and you can change whatever you want. Now let's see how to customize the report. So what I will do, I will open up this particular report. Okay, now we have seen the report. So now let us try to customize and let us try to add or remove certain things in this report. So how to customize? Now we will see we have grouped this report by lead, owner and the stage. So if you go here, customize. So here if you see here, in the row we are given two things, lead, owner and source. What does it mean? This is the lead owner. This is called row and this is the column, right? So in this row now, first thing we have given is lead owner. Now let us say you want to first see source, then owner. So I'll move the source first and I'll press save now. Now if you see here, in this report if you plus, now it is showing you source. So 263 leads, what mainly it will show you the count of all the source. Inside the source, now in every source, if you see WhatsApp gave you 23 leads, website 43 leads, 45 leads in Facebook. Now if you click next, it will show you the user. Previously it was the other way, right? So this is how you customize and you can change the or arrange the fields like this. So you don't want this lead owner, you can remove like this. And if you want to add that lead owner, you can add it back like this. This is how you will add or remove the rows. This is the column. Right now we are having lead stage as a column. So we see here, these are all the lead stages. And then here, the data part, this is the column name. Then inside that, either you can show you count or you can also show the value. Let us say you have created value. We will add the lead owner here. It's a column. And now we will see. Now if you see here, instead of count, it is showing you the actual value of the lead. So you can see that in Facebook ad, you got 4.44 lakh worth of business. And previously it was showing the count. So this is how you can customize this report. So let's go back, customize, and instead of value, we can change it to count. Now it has become count again. So we have seen how to add a field and how to add a row, how to add a column, and then how to customize we have seen here. Now let us see what is this report screen and what is the pre-filter. So if you open up the report, you have something called show filter, right? So there are these many fields available for you in the filter. So those fields are configured here. So let us say you want a new field. So you don't want campaign name. Okay, what you need to do is just remove this campaign name, and instead of that, you can actually bring the mobile number field. Right. So you want the mobile number field here, you can keep it like that, and then if you press save report, if you go to show filter, so it is giving you the mobile number field instead of the campaign field. This is how you will customize the search fields. So how to customize, I'll just show you again. Go to customize. Here, whatever configurations or fields you are selecting, those fields will be available in the search field. This is how it works. In the bottom, you have something called pre-filter. Pre-filter means in this report, you are excluding all the one and the last. So this, if you exclude, it will remove the data here and it will show you only the data without one or last leads, which means you are basically trying to see how many active leads are in your hand. So you don't need the closed one in this report. So you are excluding that particular condition here. So we have selected lead stage is not, and we have basically selected closed last and closed one. So if you see here, this closed last and closed one we have selected here. So same way you can actually select whatever you want. So if you don't want hot, you can say you don't want the hot leads, and hot leads will get filtered. It will not appear in the report. If you want a report specifically for hot lead alone, then you can put a filter here. So basically this is again a filter, but this is called pre-filter because the software will apply this filter before showing the report. So there are basically two types of filter. So one is you can apply the filter and remove that data in the report. That's the first type of filter. Second type of filter is you just have the filter fields here. Whenever you need, you can go and search for that particular stage alone. So say you want only heart related data, you can see only the heart related data here. These are all the two specific set of filters available in the report. So basically there are three things you need to understand. You need to configure the fields. What fields you want in the report, what is the column, what is the row that you are doing here. Then you have to configure the fields, what all the fields should have to come here. Then what is the pre-filter that has to happen before you generate a report. These are all the three things you need to note in any report customization. And the best practice is always try to see all these reports that are available to you, because these are all the reports that are used by many companies, and these are all the common sales related reports. So you try to use these reports, and for your business need, you can always clone and change the name, change the columns, rows, and then edit and use it for your business. So whatever report you are newly creating, you will have an option to delete. So those reports, if you don't want, you can delete also. This is how all the report thing is working. So there is a separate video in which we will explain you what are the important reports and how to enhance your sales and business using those reports. You can have that look at that video to understand more about the practical usages of reports. Thank you.